Make sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons. Ding the bell for notifications of new content. If you don't, Houston Firefox will leave a box on your front porch. Trust me, you don't want to know what's in the f***ing box.
Hello everyone, and thanks for coming back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing on the Werner SRS-72 Scaffolding. I purchased this scaffolding to do some siding on the house, and I've seen a lot of videos on it, but one of the things I haven't seen is just how easy is it to set up. Is it as easy as they say it is? So today, me and my friend Rick are pulling it out of the box, and we're going to set it up for you here on the driveway, complete with some awesome drone footage. Even though the top is off the box, this is the first we've seen of the scaffolding, as you can tell. We're getting our first looks at it, and we're pulling the first leg out, and it's very nicely packaged. We did pick this up at Lowe's, and this is one of the sides. I'm just kind of laying it out on the driveway at the moment, kind of get an idea where everything goes. Again, this is all new to us, so want to see how quickly this goes together. The siding on this house is in pretty rough shape. Purpose of the scaffolding was to replace a siding over the garage and the sides of the house. That siding is approximately 8 feet off the ground. And I bought the scaffolding from Lowe's for $209 minus a military discount. I left an Amazon link in the description if you wanted to go and view the specifications on it. I believe it should be the same one I got from Lowe's, although I don't recommend buying from Amazon because the sellers on there seem to have a significantly higher price than picking it up at your local Lowe's. Here we're putting the sides, or the ladder portions, into one of the sides, and kind of getting a feel for it there. It goes on rather quickly. It looks like Rick is already a step ahead of me there, and already getting the wheels and unboxing the casters, and I'm getting a little impatient. I want to get these sides on there. I want to get this thing assembled. And just that simple. Get the other side on there, make sure the locks are engaged, and we figure, well, it's time for the wheels. And of course, if you're new to the channel, just another subtle reminder from our friendly spokesperson.
Make sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons. Ding the bell for notifications of new content. If you don't, Houston Firefox will leave a box on your front porch. Trust me, you don't want to know what's in the f***ing box.
One of the things I like about this scaffold is the pins don't have a separate locking mechanism. The lock swings around the legs and actually stays attached to the pin the entire time. As you know, we are all prone to losing things, and last thing we need is 1,000 separate pieces going in different directions. Here we're rotating it in the upright position. Instructions? Ha! Who needs them? One of the things I found interesting was that the panel that goes on top only has 2 of the securing pins holding it down. As it's held in place by gravity, I guess it really doesn't need 4. There you have it, our very first setup of this scaffolding from box to assembly in less than, I want to say, about 2 or 3 minutes. Our very first time doing it. Very easy to install and highly, highly recommended after a little bit of use. Thanks again for joining us on this little unboxing video. Would certainly appreciate it if you'd like, subscribe, and hit that notification button. Certainly help us out a little bit. Do appreciate it. Have a great day.